Well, I didn't mean to wake you up, Oliver. It's okay, you can go back to sleep. Pretty calm today. He's laying on the floor, and his spot that he's in is getting maximum air from the tower fan. So he's got himself a nice cool spot. Today we're going to start in on my table. Get the junk stuff cleared so that way we can move over to this wall and get that stuff done, because tomorrow's going to be pretty much shot. Have to go to the doctor with John to get his foot reevaluated. He broke his foot earlier this month, amongst a bunch of other things. And then I'm seeing my doctor tomorrow for my asthma, because my lungs still hurt. Anyway, see you all on the flip side.